Yes, tozala boyebi mpona kopanza malako ya tata Simon Kimbangu. Yango biso tolinga na biso ye. Parce que apesi biso boyebi wana. Boyebi ya kopanza malako ya tata Simon Kimbangu. No. Let me enjoy my song. That is why I love Papa Simon Kimbangu. I love Papa Simon Kimbangu. He's with me everywhere where I go. And Papa Simon Kimbangu Kiangan is my God. He's protecting me everywhere. He's giving me the knowledge, the wisdom of spreading His words around the world. So that's why I always glorify my Lord, Papa Simon Kimbangu Kianga, the only one who protects me, the only one who gives me the knowledge, the wisdom. Yeah, that's why a lot of people are fear of us because of the knowledge, because of the wisdom that God gave us. So people, they fear us. Yeah. We are blessed. Thank you very much. Yes,